We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the JZENT Bluetooth Music Tesla Coil, SSTC desktop toy plasma loudspeaker arc generator. This device is much more than a simple desktop toy. It is an impressive demonstration of Tesla Coil technology that delivers both educational value and entertainment. The product comes from the JZENT store and is designed to be an engaging experience for science enthusiasts, gadget lovers, and anyone curious about electrical phenomena. Right out of the box, the setup is straightforward and user-friendly. There is no need for grounding, which simplifies the installation process significantly. You only need to attach the secondary coil and one or more of the 6 included discharge tips, plug in the power supply, and switch it on. The manual is included, but many users find the device intuitive enough to operate without detailed instructions. This ease of use makes it accessible even for those new to Tesla coils or electrical experiments. The device features multiple discharge tips, allowing customization of the arc effect. The central tip produces the largest arc, reaching up to approximately 100 millimeters, or nearly 4 inches, which is visually impressive for a desktop model. The arcs generated are powerful and vivid, accompanied by the characteristic ozone smell that is part of the authentic electrical discharge experience. The sound level can be quite loud, which is typical for Tesla coils of this size, so it is best enjoyed in a suitable environment. One of the most remarkable features is the ability to safely touch the arc in normal mode. This creates a unique tactile sensation described as slightly ticklish and surprising, making it a fantastic conversation starter. Beyond just touching the arcs, the coil can light up nearby objects such as light bulbs, LEDs, and gas tubes filled with various gases, which glow in different colors when exposed to the electrical discharge. This feature adds a layer of interactive experimentation and visual delight. The Bluetooth music mode elevates the entertainment factor by allowing the arcs to dance in synchronization with music. The coil connects to devices via Bluetooth under the names MHM18 or XFWM18. It is important to note that the music must be in a square wave format for the arc modulation to work correctly, and the device volume should be set to maximum. When these conditions are met, the arcs pulse visibly in time with the music, creating a mesmerizing light show that combines sound and sight in a captivating way. From an educational perspective, the JZENT Tesla Coil serves as a tangible demonstration of wireless energy transmission and high-voltage circuit principles. It brings Nikola Tesla's pioneering work to life and encourages curiosity and learning about electrical science. This makes it an excellent tool for students, educators, and anyone interested in STEM subjects. Build quality is generally praised, with users noting the solid construction and reliable performance. The device includes a 48-volt power supply and simple controls for operation. While most users find the Bluetooth connection straightforward, some mention compatibility issues with older iPhone models. The switch quality has been criticized by a few users, but this appears to be an exception rather than the norm. The Tesla Coil is described as a perfect gift for science lovers and a novel gadget for offices or homes. It sparks conversations and amazes guests with its stunning arcs and interactive capabilities. The loudness and ozone smell are minor trade-offs for the visual and educational benefits it provides. In summary, the JZENT Bluetooth Music Tesla Coil is a well-designed, powerful, and entertaining desktop device that combines science, art, and music. It is easy to set up and use, offers multiple modes for different experiences, and serves as both a fun toy and an educational tool. Whether you want to safely touch electrical arcs, light up objects wirelessly, or watch music-driven plasma shows, this Tesla Coil delivers on all fronts. We highly recommend it for anyone looking to add a unique and fascinating gadget to their collection. If you own this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel.